Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Effects tab in Explaindia 4.0. So I've got a project open here with several scenes. In the first scene, I've got two elements. The first element is a PNG logo image with an in animation and an out animation. Now, if I go to the Effects tab, you'll notice this Pause After Action slider. If I preview the animation, you'll notice that the logo animates first and then fades out, while the text sketches by hand. Now, if I wanted to put a pause between the in animation and the out animation, I can click on the in animation and then use this slider to add a pause for 2 seconds like so. Now you'll notice that there is a gap between the in animation and the out animation, and that is a 2-second pause. Let me move the text animation in line with the fade out. Now, if you do a quick preview of the scene, you'll notice that after the in animation, the logo image pauses for 2 seconds and then fades out while the text sketches. So that's one way to use the Pause After Action slider. Now I'll select the text element in the timeline, which has a sketch by hand animation. And you'll notice that the Effects tab has a few more options. These are specific to the sketch by hand animation. The first checkbox for Override Sketchline Color allows you to change the sketchline color. As you can see, I changed it to red. And now if I check this box, you can see that the sketchline color is red. Let me reset that. The second checkbox for Flip Hand Horizontally allows you to flip the sketch hand as if it's sketching left-handed. The last checkbox for Draw Hand Under Sketch allows you to draw from underneath. However, you need to choose a specific sketch hand. So let's use this Set Hand button, which opens the pen gallery. And as you can see, these 3 sketch hands are designed to sketch from underneath. Let me choose this sketch hand. But as you can see, the animation doesn't quite look right. So by checking this checkbox, you can see that the animation now looks right because it's sketching from underneath. Finally, the hand tilt controls allow you to tilt the sketch hand left or right, like so. In most cases, you will only see the Pause After Action slider, and in some cases, you'll see no options. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.